Hey guys, Dr. Nelson here from Rising Sun Chiropractic in Southern Minnesota Weight Loss Center, talking about gluten-free. And while we are going to talk very briefly today, I wanted to bring up something that was just recently brought to my attention and I think is pretty important to address. Going gluten-free is not a weight loss strategy. Just because we choose gluten-free items does not make them any less calorie dense, any less of a sugar insult to your insulin response, or any less of a problem with you gaining or losing weight. Gluten-free diets are strictly for a strategy that helps reduce gut and other inflammatory conditions for people who can't digest the protein. And so it is really important that we are not making a gluten-free lifestyle a priority as a weight loss strategy, because you can get in as much trouble eating gluten-free foods as you can eating gluten-containing foods. Now, if you have food sensitivities, this can change your life. It can make you go from a miserable person on a daily basis to someone who has their life given back. And if you have questions on how to figure that out, we help people every day do it. But don't look at gluten-free as the next weight loss strategy, because it's really not what it's about. And so I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please reach out below and we'll be happy to address it.